Thank you for purchasing a Benni Barker bow tie. Depending on the collar you will use with it, the bow tie may fit a little loose. This video will demonstrate our solution. Each bow tie includes a Velcro strip. The Velcro strip will be located behind the bow tie. Detach the Velcro strip from behind the bow tie. Grab and unhook the collar you will be using. Place the edge of the strip perpendicular to the collar. And begin to tightly wrap the Velcro strip around the collar. We recommend to wrap the Velcro with the soft side on the outside. Once the Velcro strip is all wrapped around, place the collar through the loop behind the bow tie. If the Velcro strip is too thick to fit through the loop, you will need to trim off a piece of the Velcro strip. Unwrap a small portion of the strip from the collar and cut a piece of the strip off as needed. Do this until you're able to fit the bow tie loop over the collar. This should give your bow tie a snug fit on the collar and keep your bow tie stable in one place on the collar. We hope our demonstration was helpful. If you have any questions, email us at info@bennibarker.com.